painting and life because, you see, they're inextricably linked. I learned a great deal from my dear friend, Carlos Duran. The man was a master of light, a virtuoso of plein air painting. He taught me the importance of seeing, truly seeing, not just what's in front of you, but the essence of it. The fleeting play of light on skin, the subtle shift in a shadowed corner, the way a color vibrates against its neighbor. These are the things that breathe life into a painting. If you like painting and want to improve and become the best, check out the channel, subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts. Also get this cool Madame X Scandalous art tee to be inspired by Sargent. Link is below or at the top of the channel. He showed me the power of loose brushstrokes, how to suggest form without slavishly rendering detail. Duran's emphasis on direct painting, working quickly and instinctively from life, was a revelation. It liberated me from the constraints of academic precision and allowed for a spontaneity that became my hallmark. He taught me to love the immediacy of paint, the tactile thrill of it. Now, what do I teach you? First, forget about being perfect. Perfection is the enemy of artistry. Embrace the imperfections, the happy accidents. They often lead to the most interesting discoveries. Oil painting is about capturing a moment, a feeling, an essence. Don't get bogged down in the technicalities. In portraiture, the challenge is to reveal the sitter's soul, their personality, not just their physical appearance. Observe carefully. Notice the subtle nuances of expression, the way their eyes crinkle when they smile, the way their hands move. Don't just paint what you see, paint what you feel. Paint what is there and what isn't, what is suggested and what is implied. There is a story in every face. You must capture it. Capture the soul. Direct painting or alla prima. This method, painting directly onto the canvas without underpainting or extensive layering. Work quickly and decisively, capturing the essence of your subject in a single sitting. This resulted in a freshness and vibrancy that's characteristic of my work. Do many preparatory sketches and have a strong understanding of composition to make this approach work. Look for my Madame X watercolor sketches. This will give you the idea of what I'm saying. Thin layers or glazing. While mainly direct, use thin glazes of transparent color over dried passages to refine tones and add depth. However, this wasn't my dominant approach. Glazes were subtle and served to enhance, rather than drastically alter the initial paint application. The use of impasto or thicker paint in certain areas, particularly to suggest texture in clothing or hair, I use impasto, applying thick layers of paint with a palette knife or brush. This created a tactile quality and added a three-dimensional effect. However, this was used sparingly as paintings are generally characterized by a relatively smooth surface. Loose brushwork. My brushstrokes are often loose and expressive, conveying a sense of movement and spontaneity. Not striving for perfect realism in every detail. Instead, focusing on capturing the overall impression and the essence of the subject. Use visible brushstrokes as a part of the artistic expression, adding to the dynamism of your work. Value and color. Master value and color. Use a limited palette, but blended, and juxtaposed colors expertly to achieve a remarkable range of tones and create a sense of depth and atmosphere. Understanding of light and shadow was crucial to this technique. Preparation is the key. While I'd painted directly, I wasn't impulsive. Making extensive preparatory drawings and sketches, meticulously planning of compositions, and understanding the forms before picking up my brush. This preparation allowed me to work quickly and decisively when painting. But let's go beyond technique. Art isn't just about skill. It's about vision. It's about passion. It's about expressing something deeply personal. Find your own voice. Don't try to imitate me or anyone else. Develop your unique style, your distinctive vision. That is what will set you apart. And remember this: Life is short. Paint with urgency. Don't be afraid to take risks. Embrace the unknown. And above all, paint from the heart. If you do that, then you'll find your own unique expression. And that, my students, is the true reward of being an artist. Now, what are you going to paint next?